YouTube channel, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do it. I will really appreciate it. Thank you if you have done it. I am really grateful for you, and I'm really grateful that you are here and you're listening to me and you think that listening to me is worth it. So, thank you for that. And today we are going to talk about core. And when I say core, I don't mean apps. Some people use the word core and apps simultaneously, like they're the same thing. They are not. Because, especially, I will tell you an incident. I meet so many people, and I used to work in the gym, so I used to meet people, and they would tell me that, oh, they are doing the core, and I would ask them, okay, what exercises you're doing, and they would be like, leg raises, leg crunches, and stuff like that. And that's good, nothing wrong with that, but that's not core. That's just going to help you build your lower abdominal muscles, your upper abdominal muscles, but that's not going to help you strengthen your entire core. So what you need to do is do the exercises that's going to focus on strengthening those muscles. For example, there is this major core muscle. I'll put a picture here that will tell you how many important core muscles are there actually. So you will see that your core muscle isn't just made up of your abdominal muscles. So the most important, for me, I feel like the most important muscle in the core.
How many times have I said core already?
Take a shot every time I say core, or don't do it, you will die. Anyways, the most important core muscle for me is erector spinae muscle. I'll tell you why. Because when I started lifting, like 5 years ago, 4 years ago, I had no idea what I was doing. Like, I was just looking at the YouTube videos, watching YouTube videos, and just doing whatever they were doing. And I never really understood the importance of strengthening your muscles first, instead of just, I was just so crazy about building my muscles. I didn't care if my muscles were strong enough. So, like 5 to 6 months into lifting heavy, I got this annoying lower back pain, and it wasn't good. It was very painful. Every time I bent down, it used to hurt really bad. I had to stop deadlifting for a while because it used to hurt really bad. As soon as I used to bend down, pick up the bar, doesn't matter if there is weight or not, it used to hurt like hell. So I tried to understand, like, what am I doing wrong? My form was good, everything I was doing good was okay, then why do I have this back pain? And then I understood that just my lower back muscles are weak. They are not strong enough to lift 50 kgs, 60 kgs, like they can't bear that weight. And then I started, exercising and started doing the core how I should have been doing from the beginning. And these are the small things that nobody tells you about. So I'm going to do few exercises, and you can perform those exercises at the gym, at the home, wherever you want to do it. Those exercises are going to help you strengthen them, and you will be grateful that you did it. Your body will be grateful for you, and just by doing these exercises for a few weeks, you will notice the difference. You will notice the difference in your performance, and I hope these exercises helps you. And if it does, just like the video, subscribe. If you want to share the video, I'll be really grateful. And thank you. I'm gonna demonstrate 4 exercises that will help to strengthen your entire core. Okay, so the first one is dead bugs. This is one of my favorite core exercise. The name sounds gross, but when you look at the posture, it does make you look like a dead bug. Start by lying down on the floor and make sure you suck your core in. There shouldn't be any space between your back and the mat. Lift your leg up till they are 90 degrees. Now, lift one of your hands up and at the same time move the other side of your leg towards the floor. Make sure the movement is slow and your core is engaged. The next exercise is Superman. All of us have done this at some point, and this exercise helps in stabilizing and strengthening the erector spinae muscle. Make sure you're not putting any strain on your neck and focus on lifting yourself up from your back. Bird dog is that exercise that looks fairly easy but requires a good balance to perform it. Keep your core engaged and your spine neutral throughout the exercise, and also keep the movement slow. Speeding it up totally negates the purpose of this exercise. Last but not the least, plank walks. This exercise helps not just the entirety of your core but also strengthen your arms. Again, make sure your spine is neutral and your core is engaged to get the full benefit of this exercise.